Welcome to another video. We have a question before us. We have AB is equal to 10. Log A minus log B is equal to 2. AB is equal to what? Let us go ahead and find the values of A and B. Let's begin. Before we start answering the question, I would like you to consider subscribing to this channel if you have not yet subscribed. On this channel, we simplify mathematical problems. Now, let us go ahead and answer the question before us. We are given AB is equal to 10, log A minus log B is equal to 2. Our goal is to find the numerical value of A and B. Alright, before we proceed, let us familiarize ourselves with this important information about logarithm. We cannot have a negative log. A and B must be positive numbers, okay? Alright, here we have an algebraic equation, and here we have a logarithmic equation. We are going to change the logarithmic equation to an algebraic equation. Okay? Note that these two logs are not expressed in any base. If the base of the log is not specified, it is deemed to be in base 10. So these two logs are in base 10. Now let us consider this rule. If we have log x minus log y, this is equal to log x divided by y. Let us apply this rule here. Again, let us consider this rule. If we have log base k of p is equal to x, then p is equal to k raised to the power of x. Let us apply this rule in our given equation. P is represented by a divided by b. So we have a divided by b is equal to k is represented by base 10. So we have 10, and 2 is represented by x. So 10 raised to the power of 2. So this will give us a divided by b is equal to 10 raised to the power of 2 will give us 100. Let us put over 1 here and cross multiply. A times 1 will give us a is equal to b times 100 will give us 100b. Here we have an algebraic equation. We can call this equation 1. Then the first one we can call equation 2. So we have that a times b is equal to 10. We can call this equation 2. Okay. Now let us find the value of b. We are going to use equation 2. So here we have equation 2. A times b is equal to 10. In equation 1, we have that a is equal to 100b. So we will replace a with 100b. So we have 100b times b is equal to 10. 100b times b will give us 100b squared is equal to 10. Let us equate it to 0. We have 100b squared minus 10 is equal to 0. We can factor out 10. So let us factor out 10. We have 10. 100b squared divided by 10, this is going to give us 10b squared. And 10 divided by 10 is going to give us 1. So we have minus 1. And this is equal to 0. Alright, so we have that 10 is equal to 0, which is not true. And here we have 10b squared minus 1 is equal to 0. We are going to focus on this equation. Let us move minus 1 to the right hand side. We have that 10b squared is equal to 1. Now let us divide both sides by 10. So here we divide by 10, and here we divide by 10. Then we cancel out 10. We have that b squared is equal to 1 divided by 10. Now let us take the square root of both sides of the equation. This square will cancel the square root radical. We have that b is equal to plus minus the square root of 1 is going to give us 1 over here we have the square root of 10. We have that b is equal to 1 divided by the square root of 10, and b is equal to minus 1 divided by the square root of 10. As we said earlier, we cannot have a negative log, so b cannot be negative. So we will reject this. So the value of b is 1 divided by the square root of 10. Now let us find the value of a using either equation 1 or equation 2. Let us use equation 1. Here we have equation 1. We will replace b with 1 divided by the square root of 10. We have that a is equal to 100 times 1 will give us 100 divided by the square root of 10. So we have a is equal to, here we will rationalize the denominator. So here we have 100. We multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 10. So we have a is equal to 100 times the square root of 10 divided by root 10 times root 10 is going to give us 10. So we have a is equal to 10 divided 100 is going to give us 10. So we have 10 times the square root of 10. So this is the value of a. So a is equal to 10 times the square root of 10. Then b is equal to 1 divided by the square root of 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video helpful and informative, please subscribe to my channel. And do remember to like, comment, and share.